In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and edit DNS records in Wix. We'll walk through the entire process from logging in to saving your changes, so you can confidently point your domain, set up subdomains, or configure email. Start by opening your browser and heading to wix.com. Log into your account and you'll land on your site dashboard. Depending on your layout, you might also see a setup section. Either one is fine. The key is that you're inside the dashboard for the site connected to the domain you want to manage. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click Settings, or the closest option if your interface looks a little different. From there, navigate to Domains or the Domain section. This is the central place in Wix where you manage everything related to your domain and DNS, so it's where we'll be making changes. Now open the list of domains connected to your account. Click Go to Domains, or simply Domains at the top if that's what you see. You should now see all domains associated with your Wix account, which makes it easy to pick the exact one you want to edit. Find the domain you want to work with and click the three-dot icon next to it. That opens Domain Actions. From the drop-down, select Manage DNS Records or the closest matching option. This brings up the DNS panel where you can add, edit, or review the existing records for your domain. Inside the DNS panel, you'll see options to manage records, which point your domain to a specific IP address, CNAME records for subdomains or third-party services, and TXT or MX records used for things like email routing and domain verification. For each record you're adding or editing, carefully fill in the required fields, typically the host name, the value or destination, and the TTL. Use the exact details provided by your hosting provider, email service, or verification instructions. When everything looks correct, click Add Record and then Save or Save Changes to apply your updates. Take a moment to review for duplicates or typos, since even small errors can cause issues. After saving, allow time for propagation. DNS changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours to update globally, so don't worry if things don't switch over instantly. While you wait, use the example images or help links within the Wix interface for reference if anything looks unfamiliar. And if you get stuck, the Wix support articles on DNS records provide clear explanations and troubleshooting guidance tailored to the platform. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.